The basketball court, guys. A long time ago.
Right? Wala. Rebound by Jimenez. Malakas yung tira. Rebound by jersey number 34. Out of pass. To jersey number 13. Pero hindi na-connect. Wala. Out of bounds. Remaining time 7 minutes and 35 seconds for the first quarter. Morales. Rainbow. Nice, pull up for 3. Malakas, rebound by Pineda. Pass to Mendoza. Pasan to Tanedo. Malakas ang pasan. Mendoza para kay Tanedo. Lumipat na pala si Tanedo. Nasa team radio na pala.
Sa YouTube.
Sa YouTube po.
Spam. Kuya Don. Pineda. First personal foul. Bonus shot. Ready jumper. And second team foul by Team Rigi. And then kompleto. On 6 minutes and 50 seconds. Tanedo. Pass pero hindi na-connect pero out of bounds. Same ball. Wala pa rin ang Team Rigi. 17 to shoot. Nice pass to Pineda for 2 points. Gamit ang pasa na sa ilalim. Jimenez. Pass to Miles. Fourteen shot clock. 10 shot clock. 5 shot clock. Turnover. There's number 6. 2 Miles. Nabitawan na bola. Out of bounds tuloy ang team. Bola ng Team Rigi. 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Tanedo. Good. Pineda to Tanedo. Pula for 2 point. Paborito yun ni Tanedo. 10-6. Back to 4 para kay jersey number 34. Foul, jersey number 6, Morales. Sino yun? Jimenez pala. Sorry. Bonus shot, ready jumper. Completo, official score, 15-7. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. In the first quarter. Rebound by Pineda.
Set.
Nabitawan ko lang, napunta kay jersey number 6. Foul! Jersey number 13. On the floor. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. Team Rigi. 2 minutes and 35 seconds. Fourteen shot clock. Nice, wala. Napitaan. Napunta kay jersey number 34. Out of pass to Mendoza. Mendoza yan. Pass to jersey number 13 for 2 points. For jersey number 13. Minutes and 10 seconds. Which will score 17-7. 10-point lead. By Team Rigi. Jimenez, napitaan bola. Recover, pass to Miles for 2 points. By Miles. 1 minute and 57 seconds. Tanedo, Pineda. Nice pass! To Mendoza sa ilalim. Kantang pasa na ni Kuya Don. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Jimenez. Malakas. Rebound by Fok. Napunta kay Morales. Kulang for 2. Short. Rebound by Tanedo. Tanedo ngayon. Rebound the ball. Kay Oroseo. Oroseo to Jimenez. Pass the ball. Oroseo. Same ball. 12 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Miles for 3. 12-19. Up to 6-point lead. 58 seconds. 50 seconds. 45 seconds. Jersey number 34 for 2 points. Official score 21-12. 30 seconds remaining. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Mendoza, lumipad, wala. Sa kanyang pre-rebound, block by Punsalan. 5 seconds. 2 points. Jersey number 18. Ako na yan. Number the first.
Second quarter.
Miles. Number 9. Pull up. And run. Jay. Jersey number 11. Bonus shot. Ready jumper. Yeah. Ano pa rin ang bola? To Jimenez. Wala. Napunta kay jersey number 25. Out of bounds by jersey number 9.
Hindi naman alam mo yan. Pwede pa? Ha? Natuhod eh. Maya. Sino makapasok?
Hindi na makakapasok yun. Pag-sub.
Lahat mo na lang to eh.
Wala pare. To Reggie. Polo for 3. Yes sir, for 3 by Reggie. Official score 26-14. Aliado. Si Louis. Bigyan, side step. Matake. For 2 points by Louis. Official score 26-16. Rebound by Louis. Pass to Miles. Miles, pull for 3. Malakas. Punta kay Jimenez for 2 points by Jimenez. Official score 18-26. Time out! Time out by Team Reggie. Wala pare. The jersey number 16 pull for 3. Short. Out of bounds by Team Reggie. Aliado. Into the ball. Pass to Jimenez. Back to Aliado. To Miles. Putting shot clock. 10 shot clock.
Bitang, oh.
Jersey number 41 for 2 points. Lumipad yan. Jersey number 41.
Kaliwa.
Uli! Ay!
Failed by jersey number 41. Araceliano. Pass to Reggie. Bola for 3. No good. Rebound by Max. Pass yan. Atake. Pull up. Malakas. Napunta kay Aliado ang bola. Hindi tumama yun. 10 to shoot. Steal by Jay. To Reggie. Pass to Salapare. Salapare side step. 2 point by Salapare. Official score 30-18. 12-point lead. Back to 12-point lead by Team Reggie. Banyas. 2 point by Banyas.
Hey!
The 10-point lead, 13-20, 5 minutes and 55 seconds. Sala pare, set the ball. Jersey number 41, Dumiscarte, atake, for 2 point. Banda pa yan. Jersey number 41, for 2 point. Jimenez. Paso Aliado. Aliado to Jimenez. Gandang setup pero malakas. Nakikari kay Jimenez. Lalakas na siya. Sala pare, to jersey number 16, for number 2 point. Time out! By Team Bong, official score 34-20, 14-point lead. Remaining time 5 minutes and 24 seconds for the second quarter. Aliado. Nice set up tuloy for 2 point. Ang pick and roll yun. Parang Aliado yung goal. Sala pare, bumae. There's a whistle. Jersey number 7, Aliado. 14 shot clock. Sala pare, pull up for 3. Malakas. Rebound by Ibanez. Outlet pass to Aliado. Good. Aliado ngayon. Umikot. Hindi na pala. Hey, you can do it. No good. Follow up by Jimenez. Official score 24-24. Jersey number 41. Pero may sumabit. Foul jersey number 6. Jimenez. Second personal foul by Jimenez. Second team foul by Team Bong. 2 free throw. Jersey number 41. Alpahor. Connect. It's a score 35-24. Ready jumper.
Sasabihin ko pag nagsila para alam ko.
Over 2 by Alpahor. Aliado. Good ball. Pass to Miles. Tuloy sa ilalim. Pag-atake. Palakas. Sa kanya pa rin ang bola. Sa Gambo. Bola ng Team Rigi. Nice defense by Team Rigi. 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Talapare. Get the ball. Pass to jersey number 16. Stayed by Ibanez. Bola pa rin. 10 shot lang. Alpahor for 2 point. .24 official score. 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Aliada, pull up for 3, no good. Rebound by Salapare. Salapare ngayon, side step. Pull up, wala, lakas. Napunta ka bola kay jersey number 16, pass to Salapare. Pull up for 2. 2 point by Salapare, official score 40-24. Lumala yun, Team Rigi. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Jimenez, tuloy. Siloy lang gumagawa. Rigi ngayon. Mili up, wala. Napunta po ng jersey number 41. Pull up for 2. Malakas. Rebound by Ibanez. 2 minutes and 20. Ball for 2 point. 26-40. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Rigi for 3. No good. Bola ng Team Bong. 1 minute and 58 seconds. There's a whistle. There's foul. There's number 11, Jay. Second personal foul by Jay. And 13 foul. Second team foul pala. Both teams. Wala. So, 27-40. Ready jumper. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Completo. 2 for 2 by Jimenez. It's a score 40-28. 1 minute and 30 seconds. 1 minute and 20 seconds. Salapare for 3. Malakas. Rebound by jersey number 41. Alpahor for 2 points. 42-28. 1 minute and 14 seconds. Alpahor for 2 points. Nice thing. 44-28. Aliaga. Wala. Jimenez for 2 points. 30-44. Official score. 55 seconds. 14-point lead by Team Bridges. There's a whistle. Jersey number 7, Aliado. Second personal foul by Aliado. And third team foul. 14 shot clock. 40 seconds. Mendoza. Wala. Rebound by Ibanez. Outlet pass to Aliado. Pass to Miles for 2 points. 32-34. It's nothing run by Team Brom. 25 seconds. 20 seconds. 14 shot clock. 10 shot clock. 15 seconds. 5 to shoot. 10 seconds. There's a block. There's a whistle. Jersey number 9. Loy. Warning for penalty. And first personal foul by Loy. Free throw by jersey number 41. Alpahor. Connect. Unang free throw. 45-32. 6.9 seconds. Ready jumper. 4.9 seconds. Last shot. Master na lang to.